Today I'll be going over some methods to get around the file saving issues. First, I have a large sound file, about 50 megabytes. I'll try to save it, and then I come to this thing, which takes forever to save. Now all you have to do here is just wait it out. It just takes a while for it to save. But if you actually get a real error, then you could try saving the file to different locations. But for now, since it is taking too long, I don't want it to save. I'm going to open up my task manager. I'm going to right click Alice and end task. This will close Alice and cancel my save. It's the only way out.